Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I joined BJP.
I'm also
MG पार्टीन आता स्टार्ट केला की आमकां बीजेपी कॉन्टेक्टान म्हणटा सुदीन आणि काँग्रेसूय कॉन्टेक्टान आहा म्हणटा.
आता ते पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष किंवा पार्टीचे मुख्यमंत्री विचारचे पडले
पूण MG घेवन सरकार करपाची गरज पडटली अशें दिसता तुमकां?
ते म्हाका खबर ना पार्टी डिसायड करतली हायकमांड.
आणि आम्ही कितें आमकां पूर्ण विश्वास आसा सगळ्या उमेदवारांचेर आणि म्हणून आमी तांकां हाडून एकठांय दवरना. जांकां विश्वास ना आनी आमकां पूर्ण खबर आसा की आमचें सरकार जाता तेन्ना आमकां प्रश्नच ना.
So what is the agenda here of the meeting?
Agenda just what happened after election. We had this is the first meeting. Tomorrow counting. So after counting, what time they have to come and all this is all the discussion. Nothing else. Nothing
Are you
secret.
guys in touch with the independents as well? Potential independent candidates?
Till now, no. Till now, no. So we got as Bharatiya Janata Party, the central party. Right. So our national leader is going to have discussion with whom they want to discuss. They will discuss.
Party has given you the responsibility of talking to the independents.
Baba, I don't have any responsibility, and party has not given me any responsibility. I am myself.
BJP government form करतली?
BJP government will be formed tomorrow.
Sir,
I am just a part of the. I am
But you are
just a
negotiating with the
No, I am not negotiating with anyone, and I have got no role between. I am.
BJP गरज लागली बाकीच्या पक्षांची
अरे सगळे येतले रे येवपाचे आहात.
बीजेपी कडे येतले
सगळे येतले.
MG फाटी फुडें जाता MG म्हणटा
सगळे हांवें तुका सांगलें सगळे येतले. सर येता हांव वचून येता.
किती जालें?
We have been called for an interactive meeting maybe for tomorrow. एखादी प्रदेश अध्यक्ष नाल्यार CM सांगू शकतलो कितें तें.
सगळ्या candidates